Hi guys, if you like creamy buttery taste in a paneer dish, then this masala is apt for you. This one is a ready to cook spice mix and this masala has got everything in it. You don't have to add even salt. Suhana Paneer Makhanwala mix 50-gram pack and MRP is 45 rupees. So let's get started. So the first step is make a paste of masala mix and 100 ml of milk. Keep it aside, we are going to use it later. Now heat 2 spoons of oil in a pan and add puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And we are going to cook it till oil oozes out. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add masala mix paste, stir well and saute masala for about 2-3 minutes. Now add 200 gram of paneer cubes, 3 spoon butter and 200 ml water. Give it a mix and when it starts boiling, reduce the flame to low and cook for about 4-5 minutes till you get the gravy like this. It will thicken and look glossy. Now add a handful of fresh chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame, serve it hot. This gives you exactly restaurant like Paneer Makhanwala in minutes. It gives very nice flavor and easy to cook on no cooking mode days. And the gravy is rich and creamy. So you can give it a try on special occasion, festival and celebrations. For normal use, it's going to be a little heavy. So that was all about it. Hope you find the recipe useful. Subscribe for more.